Hi, I'm Elian West and I'm playing Mrs. Bucket. Super excited. I've actually not worked with any of them before, so it's like a brand new family to meet, and yeah, I'm just loving them. Well, when I'm not performing, I teach young people, so I think having that, hopefully that like nurturing side that Mrs. Bucket has for Charlie, I can take from teaching as well. It can be tricky. I know that the costume changes I think are going to be quite a challenge in tech, but from a character point of view, I think as long as you're really clear like when you're that person, it's just mapping it out. So just being as organised as you can and being ahead of it. Do you know what? No. Because I think what this version does as well is where we don't have a Mr. Bucket, it actually really strengthens Mrs. Bucket and Charlie's relationship. So I'm just trying to make sure that that strength is there. So that's, yeah, I'm trying to bring that kind of side of it. Definitely. This is my first kind of mum role. So I think, and working with amazing young actors, so I think it does challenge me in that way of almost having that guardian feel to them as well. And I don't have children, so I don't know what that's like, so that's a challenge.